magandang buhay at magandang kalusugan sa ating lahat. Ano ba ang kinakain ko? I am 60, my husband is 66, pero wala pa po kaming mga sakit na diabetes at wala rin kaming mga maintenance sa aming high blood pressure. I eat at least 1 cup of rice per meal. Ang normal po na average person, ang lalaki, 2,500 na calories a day ay allowed sa kanya. Ang babae naman ay allowed ng 2,000 calories a day. So, of course, because you will be eating some other food within the day, i-compute nyo po kung like, for 1 cup, it is 206 calories. Enrich po ang rice ng selenium, magnesium, niacin, thiamine at saka fiber po siya. So, kahit naman po may diabetes kayo, ay allowed naman magkain ng cup, wag lang excessive. Kasi ang Diyos, babalikan ko, ay nag-create ng 5 food groups for you to be able to have a balanced diet. Pag masyado kang vegan, masyado ka ring karni lang, ay nag-i-imbalance po ang hormones ng ating katawan because you are designed to eat. Oo, not to famish or not to starve yourself. So, yun lang po. Ang brown rice, hindi naman yan allowed na daily, lalo na pag ikaw ay may gut problem sa tiyan. Masyadong mataas kasi ang fiber niyan. So, pag may IBS ka, hindi rin masyadong recommended ang mag-brown rice ka everyday. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned from this engagement. I would really appreciate that you would subscribe, like, and comment. Amen to that.